If you're looking for a snack to nibble on, then look no further. Today, we're making Chinese BBQ Pork burnt ends. These are packed with sticky, gooey flavor and are deliciously juicy. Not only do they freeze well, but they are great for lunch or dinner. This is a snack you're going to want to try out, so let's get cooking. Cut up about 2.5 pounds of pork butt into 2-inch size cubes. This is just the right size for burnt ends and is not too big. You can also tenderize this using a fork. In a bowl, add about 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of 5 spice, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fermented red bean curd, 1 tablespoon of Hoisin Sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing cooking wine. Mix it all together, and then let marinate for at least 30 minutes for best results. In an air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, cook for 10 minutes. Flip. And then cook for another 10 minutes. Remove these from the air fryer and repeat. Out of the air fryer, these are sizzling burnt ends. And boom, we have Char Siu burnt ends. These are delicious. They make for a great snack or just appetizer. They truly bring the best quality of burnt ends with the salty, iconic flavor of Chinese BBQ pork. Yum. Delicious. Here are today's ingredients. If you enjoyed, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments below what foods you want to see next.